Welcome to our Dakis University series on using our e-commerce products and services. I'm Matt from Dakis, and today we're going to look at how to edit or deactivate existing users for the Dakis Unified Commerce solution. Please note, you will need to log in with either an owner or buyer's permissions in your MyDakis account in order to be able to add, edit, or deactivate users. Now that we've logged into our accounts with the right permissions, we can get started. In the left-hand menu, there is a settings icon. Let's click that now. Under the settings drop-down menu that opens up, we can see an option for users. Let's go ahead and click that now. This will open up the user settings page in our MyDakis account. On this page, we can see the list of active users associated with the account. From here, we can edit or deactivate users or add a new user. Now let's take a look at editing an existing user. Back on the user settings page, let's find the user we want to edit from the list. On the left-hand side of the list of users, we find two buttons side by side, Deactivate and Edit. Let's click the Edit button to edit the user we created earlier. This will bring us to the Edit User screen. Let's say we decided that we want the role for this user to be customer service instead of the clerk role we assigned. We can scroll down to the drop-down and adjust that. Before we leave the account, let's scroll down to the bottom of the page where we saved earlier. Notice that there is now a section to reset the user's password. Clicking the Reset Password button will send password reset instructions to the email we set up for this user. Don't forget to hit the Save button at the bottom of the screen. If all went well, we'll be taken back to the User Settings page, and a message will appear letting us know the user was saved successfully. One last thing before we're done. I mentioned the Deactivate button. We can click this button if we want to temporarily deactivate a user. This will open a new panel called Deactivated Users. An owner or buyer can then reactivate that user at any time by clicking on the Activate button next to the user's name in that list. Now you know the basics of creating, editing, and activating or deactivating users. Thanks for listening. Be sure to check out our other videos for more information about how to best use your Dakis solutions. You can find that and more at help.dakis.com. Visit today.